Welcome to Math Made Easy. Today, we are going to learn about basic division. My name is Benjamin, and I will guide you through the steps to understand and solve division problems. In this video, we will cover the basics of division. We'll start by understanding the division symbol, learn how to divide single-digit numbers, and then explore practical division techniques that you can use in everyday situations. The division symbol, which looks like this, represents splitting a number into equal parts. It is one of the fundamental operations in math that helps us understand how to share or distribute things evenly. Let's take a simple example. 6 divided by 2. To solve this, we need to determine how many times 2 can fit into 6 equally. Here, we see that 2 fits into 6 exactly 3 times, so 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Division is not just for math class, it's useful in everyday life too. For example, you might need to share a pizza equally among friends, split a bill at a restaurant, or divide tasks among team members. Understanding division helps us manage these situations effectively. Now it's your turn. Here are a few practice problems. 12 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, and 15 divided by 5. Pause the video and try to solve these problems on your own. Once you're ready, resume the video to check your answers. Let's check the solutions. 12 divided by 3 is 4, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 15 divided by 5 is also 3. Great job if you got these right. If not, don't worry, just practice a bit more. To recap, we learned about the division symbol and how it represents splitting a number into equal parts. We practiced dividing single-digit numbers and discussed some practical techniques for using division in everyday life. Remember, division is a useful skill that can help you in many situations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more math tutorials and tips. Don't forget to like this video and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Check out our other videos for more math lessons and resources. See you next time.